Okay, question number 1. Which one of the following is not found in the epidermis? So in the epidermis, we have cells, and we have melanocytes, fibroblasts. Fibroblasts is part of the connective tissue. Stem cells, keratinocytes. Okay, let's take a look at the figure. We're going to stop 5 seconds. Okay, and we have the dermis right here, and in the dermis we're going to have fibers, collagen, elastic, and right here, right, we have fibroblasts in there. So if we go back to the question, then fibroblasts is the answer, right? Because that one is not found in the epidermis. Okay, next question. What type of tissue is found in the most superficial layer of the skin? And we have dense irregular, that's connective tissue. Okay, so let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, let's continue. So in the most superficial layer of the skin, that's going to be epithelial tissue, right? So we have dense irregular, dense regular, that's going to be connective. So those are not the answers. So let's take a look at the figure. Okay, and we have the epidermis where we are going to have a stratified squamous epithelium. So if we go back to the question, that's the answer, right? Stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, next question. Which layer of the epidermis consists of up to 30 layers of dead cells? Okay, let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, so dead cells are going to be found in the top layer of your epidermis, right? And we have in here stratum basal, spinosum, lucidum, corneum. Okay, let's take a look at the figure. So right here we have cells in the epidermis, and the layers are right here. So we have different stratums. So the top layer is the one that we're constantly losing the cells, and that's going to be the stratum corneum. So if we go back and write there, stratum corneum. Next question. The contraction of the arrector muscle in humans causes blank. Okay, so let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, so the arrector muscle or arrector pili muscle is associated with the hair that we have in the skin. So the answer cannot be generation of heat or increased ability to feel pain. So let's take a look at the figure. So right here we have the arrector pili muscle, and it's associated with the hair right there. So every time that the arrector pili muscle contracts, then the hair is going to move. So let's go back to the question. Okay, right here in the answer, we said hair to extend and end. Yes. Trapping an insulating layer of warm air. The hair that we have in the skin does not trap air, so that's not correct. Hairs to extend to make the individual appear bigger? No. Hairs to extend and end with no apparent function? Yes, this one.